Mandla kwasa mkhonto kwasa kwasa mkhonto kwasa Ina MK Youth League Kina Ina MK Youth League Kina Ina MK Women's League Kina Ina MK Women's League Kina Ina Student Movement Kina Ina Student Movement Kina Ina MK Party Kina Ina MK Party Kina Mandla comrades okhulumayo uSandile wakashange, the regional convener of the MK Youth League here at eThekwini region. I'm not here alone, comrades. I'm here with my deputy convener Usmanga Nyuswa. He's here present. I'm also here with regional coordinator Olana Usnenhlanhla Memela. Ngiphinde ngibe no comrade okuyena osifaka kakhulu kulezinto zo TikTok. Ucomrade umobilizer uCocomelon simbiza ngoCocomelon comrades comrades mhlambe ke okwami akukuningi since yonke into ihamba ngeprotocol today ucomrade uG40 have said everything, he have touched every point kodwa ke because of the protocol I will definitely have something to say. I would like to start with uRamaphosa Matamela uCyril Ramaphosa comrades kunento ekumele siyazi. Lento is nothing new. Lekuyona esihlangene ngawo namhlanje. Makuthi nizokhumbula comrade, uMatamela kill people in Marikana. Asikakakhohlwa comrade. Makuthi sokhumbula comrade, uMatamela wasebenzisa iCovid-19 to reduce population yala eSouth Africa comrade. Asikakakhohlwa comrade. Makuthi nizokhumbula Maqabane, uMatamela wathatha ama-dollars wawafaka ngaphansi kasofa. We all know comrade ukuthi la eSouth Africa we don't use dollars to purchase. Wawe wathathe pha ama-dollars. He claimed the comrade ukuthi lawa ama-dollars was used to buy ama-buffaloes. Those buffaloes that never left the farm. How come comrades? Spindeke comrade isikhumbule ukuthi uMatamela is not just a president. uMatamela comrade, he is a cold-blooded murderer. He is a thief. We must know comrade ukuthi angeke aze amdifye uSenzo Mchunu for one reason. uSenzo Mchunu yena owephethe imali yokucampaigna for CR17 la eKZN. Ewephethe a dirty money yokucampaigna for CR17. We haven't forget comrades. We must remember ke comrade ukuthi the same Senzo Mchunu okuyena ombandakanyayo njengamanje kuyona yonke le havoc ekhona kuyona yonke dishanana kanza khona ukwaku uSenzo Mchunu, he is in pocket of criminals, he is in pocket of drug dealers, he is in pocket wabantu abangafuni ukubona impumelelo la eSouth Africa. We don't even know whether those people are South Africans or not. Let's remember, comrade, it's a year province because it's banning a comrade, the people will talk. It's a look where I will reach in. Comrade G4 touched the issue of malnutrition. Do you understand the comrade? There are people, I don't care whether he can see me or not. There are people like Sanduko Losabelo who've been in power for a long time. Even today, in company yake iyadla, in company zake, in company yake, in company yamakhosikaz akhe womabili bayadla, badla kwi-feeding scheme yala ey'koleni zale eSouth Africa, yasey'koleni zale eThekwini. Kodwa kunabantu abasha abanama-companies who are still hungry even now. Kune issue yama-drugs, kune issue ye-human trafficking. Kunama issues amaningi afana no unemployment. Today young people are unemployed because imsebenzi ithathwa ama-foreigners. Lama foreigners avunyelwa the current government that is useless. Uyabona comrade masikakhuluma iqiniso sengivala nje. This is the most expensive insult. Leyo qoka i-commission ekuyona ezwe kophenya uSenzo Mchunu. It's a most expensive insult. Currently, comrades, we have a national sino commissioner wamaphoyisa about 2. We are paying them ngemali yethu ye-tax. We have deputy ministers about 2 sibakhokhela ngemali ye-tax. Late ke comrades sekune commissioner yonke leyo mali iphuma kunini. Comrade umuntu mhlambe sevala nje ngicela to introduce a comrade who will introduce our national president. Comrades, Deputy Coordinator, Usbongile Smelane. Thank you very much.
Amandla. Amandla. Sihole Msholozi sihole. Sihole Nxamalala sihole. Sihole Qiniso sihole. Sihole Qiniso sihole. Okwami incane igama uSibongile Smelane. I'm the deputy convener kwisifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal. Okwami ukwamukela umongameli wolusha uQiniso Cibane. Cibane. Ngiyaxolisa.
Amandla awethu Gwasa Mkhonto Gwasa. Viva MK eThekwini region, viva. Viva MK eThekwini region, viva. Unite eThekwini region, unite. Viva MK Youth League eThekwini region, unite. Viva MK Women's League eThekwini region, unite. Comrades, ngibingelele ngibonga ithuba amaqabane. As I can see, isikhathi comrades sesambile. Kodwa amaqabane igama lami ngoQiniso kaCibane wala eThekwini region, eKhotho Mkhunya zone, eWard 90, eSpingo Hills VD. Reason being, comrades, ku-MK party of many comrades wafika basi-address esingabazi baphumaphi. But maqabane, in short, comrades, sibonga ubuholi be-region ukuthi buhleli imasha kanje because our government comrades sesikhohliwe ukuthi sabantu siney'dingo. Ikhuluma kanje anisebenzi. uLesihlanu ngicwele la yini imisebenzi ayikho. iPWP ivaliwe uhulumeni wethu. Imali ithole uRamaphosa imali phalaphala esofa asinayo impendulo. Ama-drugs youth ayinalo usizo, imisebenzi ayikho. Baqabane asibumbaneni comrades sikhiphe iANC down, Ramaphosa down.
Amandla. Comrade. Asithetele la national security elidwa uCommander Sizwe Zungu kwiprovince yaKwaZulu-Natal. Amandla.
Amandla. Amandla. Gwasa Mkhonto Gwasa. Gwasa Mkhonto Gwasa. Long live the spirit of Jacob Gedlehlekisa Zuma, long live. Long live the spirit of Jacob Gedlehlekisa, long live. Amandla. Long live the undying spirit of Comrade Fishi Mkwena, long live. Long live the spirit of undying spirit of Comrade Fishi, long live. Amandla. Hayi saloke simile nje maqabane noma sebesidubula besibulala ukuthi ubugebengu nama-drugs asikufuni. Siyacela uGeneral Mkhwanazi asisupporte njoba nathi simsupporta simfuna ukumbona ewu-national commissioner ukuthi hayibo ama-drug cartel awangayicanasele ebulala iy'ngane zethu eqeda ikusasa ley'ngane zethu. I-corruption eyenzeka kulabo masipala bethu eyenza ukuthi i-service delivery singabi nayo akangenelele uGeneral Mkhwanazi kuboshwe igebengu. Siwumkhonto wesizwe sithi sifuna a clean governance, hayi governance e-corrupt. Kusho ukuthi asinibonge maqabane ukuthi niphume nisupport uGeneral Mkhwanazi ngendlela enimsupporte ngayo. Siwumkhonto wesizwe soma ne-People's General because ukhombisile ukuthi ugeneral wabantu une-patriotism. Thina-ke njengamasosha omkhonto abakhetha ukuphosa impilo zethu phansi ngalelizwe sashiya abazali bethu sathatha izikhali salwa nomlungu. Siyamsupport uGeneral Mkhwanazi ukhombisa ukuthanda izwe lakhe ngendlela esalithanda ngayo ngama-80s esisalithanda nanamhlanje esingeke sivume ukuthi lesizwe sasisilwelwa sibulawe ngama-drugs, sibulawe nge-corruption. Bese ugovernment kube it's a criminal and a gangster government. Lo we-GNU nale-ANC ngeke siyivumeke thina siwumkhonto wesizwe lona and ngeke siyivume as military veteran ukuthi leyo nto yenzeke kulelizwe salilwela. Amandla.
amandla asibonge.